Nigerian skit maker Taaooma and her husband, Graeme Abdulaziz, took to social media to celebrate the arrival of their first child. The couple posted a heartwarming video of the mother-daughter moment on Instagram, hiding the baby's face as Taaooma cradled their first child. The post revealed that their daughter was born on the 7th of November 2024, but was first made public in December 2024 by captioning the video with the name of the child and the month of her birth. The video captioned, Amani Korede Makida Graeme, 7/11/2024. Admirers and colleagues of the skit maker have flocked to the comment section with congratulatory messages. While some expressed surprise and questioned when Taaooma became a married woman, others compared Taoma's private life to her colleagues, who prefer to flaunt their marital affairs on social media. Ibrahim Chatta, a Nollywood actor, also congratulated the family. He wrote, Alhamdulillah, congratulations, dear sister and Obi. Shanks Comics wrote, Dem don't give my crush belle. Congratulations, legend. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates on entertainment and lifestyle.